Okay, so we're gonna show you this pumpkin roll has cooled a little bit before we're gonna flip it out. And we're gonna put the bonMat on top of the Deep Flexiflat, and then we're gonna flip the whole thing over, and then we're gonna pop the corners out, like so, and then we pull it right back. Look how nice and easily that releases. And then we're going to roll it. You wanna roll it?
Yeah.
So go ahead, get a tight start, and then we roll it in. And then we're gonna let this finish cooling when it's rolled up like that in the bonMat. Okay, our pumpkin roll has cooled, so now we're going to mold it, and then we're gonna fill it with our cream cheese frosting, and then Roman's gonna decorate it. So, put the cream cheese frosting in there, and then Roman, you wanna spread that with our blender spatula. Go ahead. Good job. Just gonna spread it all over. It doesn't have to be perfect. And I leave that there. Perfect. Good job. Awesome. It's gonna kind of squish together. Perfect. Okay. So now we're gonna roll it up. We can use the bonMat, or we can just go like this. Then I'm gonna move it onto our, so look how nice that comes off the bonMat. Isn't that beautiful? Nice job, Ro. We're gonna put it on our plate, and then we're gonna decorate it. So we can move that to the side, and then seam down like that. Roman, do you want to decorate it, or you want to do powdered sugar?
I want to decorate it.
Okay. Oops.
And do
Go ahead.
sugar.
Go ahead. Show everybody how easy it is to use the pastry bag. Squeeze and pull up. You know the drill. Good job, bud. Beautiful. Okay, and the finishing touch with our sift and go. And it's time to make it snow. Good job, buddy. Isn't that fun? Now if you put it at an angle instead of all the way, it'll come out more easily. Here, can I show you? Just like that.
Ew.
And that's our finishing touches.